Hey guys, what's up? Dario here, and what I have here in front of me is the crowdfunded $80 3-axis phone gimbal from a Chinese manufacturer called Snopa, and this gimbal is packed with a lot of features that you would normally only get from much more expensive gimbals. Some of the things that they highlight is the superior compact size of the gimbal, the wireless charging capability while your phone is attached to the gimbal, a one-key orientation switcher from horizontal to vertical filming, microphone jack, and etc. So after a successful Indiegogo campaign, it's finally here and it's delivered in the promised time frame. I went with the basic version in which I only get the gimbal itself, but there were also other perks you can choose from where you could get the gimbal in combination with an external microphone or a phone camera lens. But before I do the full review of this smartphone gimbal, I wanted to share with you guys this unboxing video, so let's take a look what do we actually get in the box with this affordable Atom 3-axis smartphone gimbal. So even though this is considered to be a budget gimbal, it comes very well packed. The box doesn't feel cheap at all, and the same can also be said for the gimbal itself. Compared to some other gimbals that are made from more premium materials, like for example magnesium alloy, this gimbal is entirely made out of plastic. But immediately when you pick it up, you can feel that the gimbal is very well made. The plastic feels very durable and has also a soft touch to it. The gimbal is not very heavy, but weighs enough to convey trust that it isn't something that will break after being used a couple of times. In the box you will also get a carrying bag made of cloth that has the Snopa logo printed on it. You will also get a thank you Christmas card for being an early backer of the project. And you will also have a warranty card with a barcode to download the complimentary mobile application. So in addition to that, you will also get a variety of cables for your Android device and iPhone. First of all, since this gimbal supports the attachment of an external microphone, you will get a short 3.5mm microphone extension cable that can feed the sound captured by your external mic to your smartphone. Next to that, you will also get the USB-C cable for charging the gimbal itself. Unfortunately, you don't get a charging brick for it. You will also get a short USB-C to USB-C cable enabling you to charge your Android smartphone from the gimbal battery while filming. And don't worry, if you're an iPhone user, there's also a USB-C to Lightning cable. But looks like they didn't really think about older devices, so a cable that you won't find here is the micro USB cable. Not to forget, you will also get separately a small tripod stand so that you can place the gimbal on a flat surface. And that's it, that's all you're gonna get in the package with this gimbal. So my first impressions about this gimbal are very positive because it seems like a very well built and solid gimbal. And I also have to admit that I'm not a gimbal expert because this is actually my first gimbal that I own. But I'm also very excited to be able to test this gimbal and see how it actually performs. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're interested to see the full review of the affordable Atom 3-axis smartphone gimbal. And as always guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video, so take care.